Dr. Hegele's work has been the bedrock of translating genomic medicine into all the medical specialties. He started off at the Rockefeller University and then went to Salt Lake City, where he trained himself not just in lipid metabolism and diabetes, but then he got additional training in genomic medicine.
The familial partial lipodystrophy is an inherited disorder. It's an inherited form, ultimately, of diabetes, but the patients have a characteristic physical appearance where, in fact, they lose fat tissue on their arms and on their legs, but the fat stores centrally around the belly and deep inside and around the face are preserved.
He has developed a lipid testing panel that includes a number of the genes that we know are responsible for cholesterol, triglyceride, and certain other metabolic disorders.
To me, the most gratifying thing is that finally, around 2 years ago, the province of Ontario has now taken that panel, and it's now allowing any doctor in Ontario who has a patient in their practice that has a lipid disorder and they want to do the DNA test, that's now covered under the provincial healthcare plan. It's using our method.
Dr. Hegele was one of the very first people who got me interested in the genetics of lipid metabolism. As our relationship has evolved over the last 30 years, he's become the first person I reach out to when I have a question or a problem related to this topic.
Dr. Hegele has a very unique and special approach to his trainees. He is always there. He is very humble, but equally, as you mature in your research, as his trainees progress, he knows when to step back and give you the opportunity and the confidence and the courage to do it by yourself.
I think one of the things that he mentioned to me the first time I met him was, "You're going to be here for a month with me doing research. I really want you to at least get one publication out of your month here with me." And he was true to his word. I think that he really just tries to support all the trainees that he works with.
Being a mentor is a hugely gratifying part of what I do. And I think it goes back to the fact that I've had mentors in the past that meant a lot to me and that were influential in setting me on my course as well.
What really makes Dr. Hegele beloved is his humanity. It's truly remarkable that with all his accomplishments scientifically, he has remained just an amazingly grounded, wise, thoughtful individual who wants the best for all of his colleagues.
Globally renowned lipid geneticist and physician scientist whose discoveries have transformed the understanding, diagnosis, and treatment of inherited cholesterol disorders and cardiovascular risk. Canadian Medical Hall of Fame laureate, Dr. Robert Hegele.